Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by sudden call drops on your iPhone, you're definitely not alone. But don't worry, in today's video I'll show how you can fix the call dropping issue on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. Solution 1. Change cellular settings. To do this, open the Settings app, then tap on Cellular from here. Now tap on Cellular Data Options. Then tap on Voice and Data and select either 5G or 4G. Next, go back to the previous settings menu and tap on Network Selection. After that, toggle off and on the automatic option from here and go back to the previous settings page. Now tap on Wi-Fi calling and toggle it on. Once you're done with this, check if the problem is solved. Solution 2. Turn on and off airplane mode. To do this, swipe from the left side of your iPhone settings to bring up the control center. Now toggle on airplane mode from here and wait for 15 seconds. After that, toggle it off and check if that helped with the issue. Solution 3. Turn on settings interrogation. For this one, open the dialer or phone app. Now put *#31# and dial that number, and this menu should pop up. Now it should show that settings interrogation succeeded and calling line restriction disabled. Now tap the dismiss button and check if the issue is fixed. Solution 4. Reset your network settings. To do this, open up Settings, then scroll down and tap on General. Now find Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. After that, hit Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset. Your network settings will be reset, hopefully resolving the issue. So that's how you fix the issue of dropping calls on your iPhone. If the video helped you troubleshoot the issue, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.